Hi boys and girls, today I just wanted to tell you a little bit about Brainfuse. This is a free online service available through the Brentwood Public Library website. You are going to go to brentwoodnylibrary.org, and then over here in the quadrant you'll see it says departments. You're going to choose children. When you get to the children's page, scroll down just a little bit and you'll see over here on the right hand side homework help. Click right here and then they'll ask for your barcode number, and that's found on the back of your library card. So today I borrowed Alberto's card and I'm going to type in his barcode so we can take a look all together. Alright, so this is the Brainfuse main page, and the first thing I really wanted to show you was how to access the live tutoring feature. So right here, if you click on live tutoring, it'll then ask you for what grade you're in and what subject you need help in. So just as an example, I'm going to say I'm in 4th grade and that I need help in social studies. So I would click right here to hit the Get Live Help button, but right now I'm not going to because then they'll actually think I need help. But if you were at home and you wanted to work with a tutor, that's the button you would click. So then over here, I just want to talk about a couple of other things where it says other services. So the first one is Skill Surfer. In the Skill Surfer section, there's a lot of like test prep for when you're older in middle school and high school, but then there's also this section right here under elementary school, and this one focuses on reading, writing, and math in grades 3, 4, and 5. So let's just say we'll go with grade 4 and we'll do reading. So here are a bunch of different reading practice tests and different worksheets and different things to go over specific areas like for example, this one says main idea. So it kind of helps you with your reading and writing. And like I said, or we showed before, there was also a math section. So there's many different areas where this can be very helpful. I'm going to go back to the home page quick and show you a couple of other things. This one is great. It's called Language Lab. Here you can talk to a live tutor in French, Italian, or Spanish. So that could be really great if you are just learning a language, or maybe if one of them is your native language, so maybe you speak Spanish. You could talk with your tutor in Spanish rather than English if you're more comfortable with that. Another great feature over here is called Flashbulb. Here, there are pre-made flashcards with many different subjects, over many different subjects, and you can also create your own. So I just want to show you where you can create your own. It's up here. Click on Create, and I had just done this as an example. I put in some multiplication tables to practice multiplication. So here you see, for example, 5 times 1 is 5. And we can go to the next card and it says 5 times 2 is 10. So it's a great way to study something like this, something like multiplication. And if you scroll down, there's also these other fun options, like if you want to use that information and put it into a crossword, or maybe like a matching game. So if we click on matching just to show you, we can, for example, maybe we'll choose 5 times 3 is 15, and then you'll see we got the answer right, and there is a picture in the background. Let's do one more. So maybe we'll do 5 times 1 is 5. You see all the picture forming in the background, so it makes it a little fun. So just to go back to the main page, There's many other features on here that I could go through, but I don't want to keep you too long. So if you have any questions ever about Brainfuse or using it, you can always call us at the library. We'll be happy to help you. I just want to make sure I point out that the live tutoring is available every day from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Sometimes there's an exception, like maybe next week for a holiday it might be closed, but usually it's available 7 days a week. So I thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.